Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add clothes to a dummy here in Roblox Studio. Okay, for example, we go ahead over to avatar right here, and let's just click on rig builder, select the type, body shape, for example, R6, masculine, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose skinned avatar. Okay, there you go. You can go ahead and scroll. You can move it wherever you want, and then go ahead and make sure to select the avatar, okay, or the dummy. Now, once done, go ahead over to the right side, click on rig. Okay, you can go ahead and change the color if you want to. Right here, for example, the head color, like so. And then if you wanted to add in clothing, you can go ahead over to plugins right here. Go to manage plugins right here, click on the plus sign. Or if this one is not working for you, you can go ahead and use the sidebar right here that says toolbox. If you can't find toolbox, go ahead over to home. Okay, make sure that toolbox is highlighted, right? And here, let's just go ahead over to plugins, like so. And then just go ahead and find accessory, okay? Then once done, just hit on enter, wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead and select accessory inserter right here. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on install. All right, wait for it. As you can see here, it says installed. And when we go ahead over to plugins right here, insert accessory should be available. Just click on it. Now, as you can see here, it needs an accessory ID. So where do we find an accessory ID? So let's just go ahead and open up our favorite browser. Okay. Now just log into your Roblox account at roblox.com. Now just go ahead over to marketplace. Okay. For example, I wanted the LeBron James head right here. I'm just going to click on it. As you might have noticed right here at the top, we have this ID. Okay, these are a set of numbers. All we need to do is just copy it, right click and copy, minimize, paste that in here and hit on apply. Wait for the changes to happen. And here we have the head. Okay, as you can see here, the problem is it is not worn by our dummy. So how do we fix it? First up, delete the added accessory. Now go ahead and click on your dummy. Okay, and then just hit on apply. And that's it. You can go ahead and do the same for your clothings right here. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and add in maybe t-shirts, apply. Okay, maybe this one, Newly Forsaken. Copy the ID right here at the top, just like what we did earlier. Copy, minimize this one, paste the ID, and again, make sure that the dummy is selected and just hit on apply. Like so. And there you have it. You can go ahead and actually go to the Explorer right here and delete any added content that you don't like. For example, the LeBron James head. Like so. That is how you add clothes to a dummy here in Roblox. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.